Alright guys, we are on Vinnies Talk, man. We're on a cloudy day here, Saturday, man. But we're still doing it. We're out here and the sky still looks pretty fucking beautiful, guys. Testing the camera out once again. You know what I'm saying? Let me flip this around so you guys can see me here in the distance. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, man, Vinnies Talk. Vinny D, the young wolf, man. Beautiful day to be alive, right? Rocking the Elvis hoodie. You guys can see the clouds, man. It's a pretty cloudy day out here. But that's alright, because we're still doing it. We chilling. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the video if you haven't already. Like, subscribe to the video. Man, so many nice things. So many nice things when you get a chance to come out here and just get away from everything and appreciate the way the sun, the clouds. It's not like the way the sun hits a rock, or it's a way like how nature is and you feel when you're in it. It just brings out, like, man, dude, it just feels good. So that's why we're out here, man, doing a little Vinnies Talk, And the sun's peeking out. Let's see if we can flip this around. Sun is peeking out, y'all. Yeah. We're out here just hoping that we would get some sunlight. The clouds were in the way and now it's starting to clear up. Turning out to be a pretty wonderful day.